1. The main objective of this tutorial is to describe the structure of a plant cell. This diagram right here represents the structure of a plant cell that we can observe under the microscope. So like animal cells, plant cells are considered eukaryotic cells. Usually, plant cells and animal cells share a lot of common components, like the plasma membrane, microtubules, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes, and the Golgi body. However, the plant cell contains a large vacuole, only found in plant cells. Usually, the vacuole contains the cell sap, and this cell sap will push the cytoplasm and the surrounding membrane outwards. So as I said, vacuoles are only found in plant cells, but not in animal cells. The other structure found only in plant cells is the chloroplast. So, the chloroplast is an organelle bounded by double membranes, and it is the site of photosynthesis. You all know that green plants will do photosynthesis to make their own food. The chloroplast contains granule membranes. So as you can see here, the granule membranes are packed with chlorophyll and they absorb light. So as you can see in this diagram, the granule membranes have a large surface area for the light to strike. The stacking arrangement allows light that is not absorbed in the first layer to be absorbed as it passes through the layers. So the light right here will give us glucose, or the cells, or what is known as the cell's food, using ATP for energy and using carbon dioxide. In addition, we have the stroma. The stroma is a substance that fills the chloroplast. And we have the ribosome and the DNA that are found in the stroma. Finally, the last component that is found only in plant cells is the cell wall. So the cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane and it is very strong. This enables it to support the cell shape and strengthen the cell. Moreover, the main function of the cell wall is to provide plant cells with shape and support. So, these are the main structures or components that are found in a plant cell.